Sorry, sorry. Hello, Kout family. I am Madhishri. Currently, I am working in a warehouse. I would like to share my story on the occasion of the Women's Day. I joined the company in 2019 as a team member, and it's been more than 2 years. When I look back, I can see that I have grown as an individual, both personally and professionally. I started as a back of the house team member in Applebee's, and then I had moved to the warehouse in 2021. During my journey in Kout, I feel supported and empowered by company and my colleagues. I want to thank to the warehouse team for giving me an opportunity to be a part of the team. Thank you all. Happy Women's Day.
My name is Rosalinda Santos. I joined before Alpha Macy. Now it's Kout Food Group, July 2001. I worked in Applebee's before as server, and then I have a cross training in the kitchen as prep. I enjoy a lot in the kitchen. I learned how to make sauce from the scratch, cutting vegetables. From there on, I don't know that I'm starting training become a quality control, because the manager asked for my support because they are so busy. That's the peak time of Applebee's. Whenever there's delivery, I have to check vegetables, foods from warehouse, like that. And then come 2010, I have a chance to apply in fresh production. I was referred by Miss Cecil Lavinia, my former manager in Applebee's. So fortunately, I passed. I joined them January 2011, and until now. There I encounter a little bit of hardship because of language barrier. Because most of the time, no English there for the Bengali. But it's a challenge. It's a challenge every day. Then for 10 years there, all along, 20 years in the company never stopped training people with potential capability to be leaders, to provide good quality, high quality standard of food, and also supported us during the pandemic time. If there is an emergency situation, there is a C department to provide support whenever we need to go to the hospital. And this is the only company that never stopped training people also in Subhan and also in all the restaurants. I feel proud to be part of Kout Food. And the company just not only think about earning profit, they support all the people. And if I have the choice, maybe I work more years in company.
I joined Kout 3 years ago. Working in Kout has helped me learn, grow, and feel understood and respected, and also have equal opportunities with everyone here. I worked alongside women that are very talented, and I feel very appreciative to have known these women. Everybody asks me, how does it feel like to be the only woman working in a department? For me, I don't feel any difference. I feel actually special because I always get the first piece of cake in every occasion. I just want to wish all women of Kout and all women of the world a happy Women's Day. Enjoy it, and let's rise together.
My name is Muna Kamaluddin. I am from Philippines. I'm working at Kout Group Company past 23 years. I'm working from the store for 3 years. I'm enjoying for the call center for 20 years. I'm so happy because I am the part of the Kout company. I'm so proud for myself because I'm learning many things for this company. And thank you so much because he gave me chance to improve myself, to learning, to everything. And also our management in the call center also, imagine our call center to give me support and improvement and friendly. And thank you so much for the all management and top of the management to give me chance as a second home for our Kout company. Thank you so much for the International Day for the all woman for the all of the world. And thank you so much because I'm the part of this day. I'm so happy and I'm proud of myself for this day. Thank you so much. I'll put your rice.
Hello everyone, I'm Maria Lorena Delito Lopez. My friends know me as Malu Lopez. I started Kout in 2006. I joined in Burger King Marina Mall as a senior assistant manager. And my journey starts from there. I got promoted as a restaurant manager and I had my certification as a training restaurant manager, and then I became a field trainer and I moved to L&D department as a brand trainer for Burger King. Currently, I'm a multi-unit manager handling 8 locations located in Salmia area. So you see, I've been through a lot of positions and it comes with a lot of challenges, trials, problems, obstacles, and failures. So no matter how hard the situation is, I choose to fight back. I choose to stand up. It is because of my family, friends, colleagues, and mentors who believes in me. So to all women of Kout, be optimistic and be positive. Have faith in yourself that you can do it. Happy Women's Day to everyone. Thank you.
One of the most special thing about working at Kout is that we are a non-hierarchical organization. Every team member in this organization is empowered and encouraged to voice their opinion, ask questions, suggest solutions, and actively contribute to the overall success of a project. I pursued Masters in English and MBA, and after working with multinational corporations like Sony Corporation and Philips India, Kuwait Oil Company joined Kout Food Group in 2013 June as a senior officer commercial. I never had to look back after that and grew to be manager commercial, leading a team in the acquisition of services, building win-win strategic partnerships, and achieving value for investment for Kout. At Kout, every day is a new day, and you get the opportunity to be a better version of yourself. I'm passionate about my job, and accomplishment of any project gives me a sense of fulfillment. I cannot think of being anywhere else. Besides that, I'm passionate about yoga, running marathons, traveling and reading. And above all, I'm proud to be a woman, a daughter, a mother of a 20-year-old, and a wife.